I have been trying to work, as far as me, I've been trying to work with a pain specialist, and so far, this has just been a pain in the neck. Trying to get the x-rays, and you got, certain places are greedy and they try to get you to pay when, oh, my knee, when I'm trying to, when I know that I'm covered 100% for x-rays. I called the insurance company, was on the hour with them. Spoke to two people because they wanted to be sure that I was covered, and yes, I'm covered 100%. But I guess people don't want to do their jobs, or they're just being greedy. Instead of punching information in the computer, they need to actually call the insurance company. Um, because if I spent a whole hour and spoke to two different, one regular, one specialist, and they said it's 100% covered, there's absolutely no reason why they should try and charge us for the X-rays. So that's been a pain in the neck. Unfortunately, I did not know the dosage that I had gotten previously for my pain, and when I went to the doctor, she gave me a lower dosage, and it's really not cutting it. I've been miserable with this pain. I have barely slept in a month because of this pain in my knee. Um, I think it's partially because it's how you call it's a degenerative arthritis, and so when I tripped, I must have twisted it somehow. Um, so that's unfortunate. But I called her back and said, "Hey, can you just make up the dosage for it to be a higher dose? Like, I think I have 750, and before I was actually taking two 500 tablets 4 times a day, and hers is 750 only twice a day. It's not cutting it." And then I just hate when people get greedy and they say, "Well, you have to come in again." Why? She already knows what I have. All she has to do is call the pharmacy, and write me a prescription for the difference for the 250. And no, I have to go in and pay again. I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. So after I get my pain shot from her, I think I'm gonna look elsewhere because that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. People are so freaking greedy. So anyway, yeah, I've been miserable for the past 4 weeks. Me and my husband did a mini vacation last week, and it was rough because walking on it miserable, going up and down the stairs, putting my weight on it. Because I'm 386 right now. I like my bread. Bread doesn't upset my stomach. Sometimes when I just want something quick, and I like the chewiness of the bread, and I'll just take some bread. If I wake up in the middle of the night to take a pill, I'll take a little bit of bread. Just something, to me, bread is light. I'm just taking a little bit. I don't have to go and look for something in the fridge and, a slice of whatever or cheese or something, So I like my bread. I like my rice and my bread. Pasta, and like potatoes, I don't really eat much, but I love my bread. And I do make rice at least twice a week for the family. So, you put in them Puerto Rican beans in there. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Anyway, so it's frustrating. And so I got putting my weight on my knee, and um, it's just been misery. When I try to sleep at night, oh my goodness, it's misery. I wind up not. I fall asleep. I take a Benadryl because my nose has been getting stuffy again at night. I think I already, like I told you that, because they said my sinuses a little off. I forgot. So anyway, my nose gets stuffy in the middle of the night. So I take my Flexeril, and before the Flexeril knocked me out, and again, it must be a smaller dosage. I don't remember the last dosage, but I'm not sleeping. I'm in pain. I'm moving around, trying to get comfortable. Usually, I'll get up like 2 or 3 hours and come take a Benadryl because I'm gonna. It happens when I sleep on this side. I sleep on this side. Get up to go to the bathroom, then I'll sleep on this side, and that's when my nose gets stuffed up. So I'll take a Benadryl, and that helps me fall asleep. Plus, I have the Calm app, and um, I used to be able to sleep like this more comfortably for my knee, and now that's excruciating. So I wind up getting up after about an hour or two, going to the bathroom, and then just sleeping on the sofa. But my recliner is a cheap recliner. It's not that comfortable when you're trying to sleep, because the back doesn't go back very much, because we have it against the wall. And I think when I try to use it, it goes all the way back, and I can't sleep like that. And then the legs, the center part of where the legs go up, there's nothing there. So your leg is hitting against wood. So after a while, my legs start to hurt. Last night my legs were spasming because of that. It's just been misery. It's been misery with this knee. I'm scared I might need a knee replacement, and insurance, these insurances don't cover anything, So, dictatorship that America's becoming, forcing us to pay for insurance, and then the insurances don't want to cover anything except walking into the doctor's office and covering my x-rays. They used to cover all imaging. Oh, they do cover blood work too. But they used to cover all imaging, and now they just cover the x-rays. But anyway, they don't want to pay for anything, so good luck to me to try and get that if I need the knee replacements. So it's been rough. I'm just because when I was taking painkillers, they didn't work. Oxy did not work. Codeine did not work. I had my diclofenac. I would take it with a muscle relaxant, and it did work, but that side effect is horrible headaches. I had to stop taking that. So lately I've just been taking not Tylenol, Aleve, the naproxen, and I'm not supposed to be taking that because I'm on blood thinners. So, but this pain has me in misery. So during the day, I have to, since I'm only allowed 2 pills of the 750 milligrams, I think it's called methylcarbon. So I find myself taking Aleve throughout the day to help. Basically, anti-inflammatories don't work on me. I need that muscle relaxant, but the muscle relaxant, she gave me a low dosage. She didn't give me the dosage I needed. So this is really frustrating, what I've been through in the past couple of weeks. I'm miserable. I am now, and then since I'm not sleeping, I fall asleep around maybe 4 in the morning. So, I'm going back and forth from the bed to the recliner I have, and I wind up sleeping till like 12:30, 1 o'clock. Today I got up at 11. I have to set the alarm if I have I had to take my son to get his meds, and I was driving, and the pain in my knee was horrendous while I was driving. That was horrible. I had to actually, while finally work, I had to take my shoes off, because the little bit of heel was putting pressure on my knee, and my knee was hitting against the car door. So when I took my shoe off, I was able to stretch my leg better. Oh my goodness. And I've been wanting to go to like Dollar Trees and see if I could find that blue and the red and the green, but I'm just in too much pain. I want to go to every Dollar General, but I can't. I've only been to 2. The other 2 I went to, for some reason, closed because the air conditioner was broken, which in Texas is like a death sentence. So I haven't been doing that. And basically I think I told you I just got a few brushes, really, from them, and like another foundation brush because mine broke. I can't find my eyeshadow brush, so I got that. And then I didn't know they had like a blush brush, so I got that. And then I had to get my fiber mascara. I love the fiber mascara. I use it with when I do my videos with regular mascaras. So that's basically all I've been able to do. Usually at this time of year, I'm going into different stores to take pictures of the Fantasy Makers displays. I can't. I got 2 things from Amazon. I think I told you I ordered the black lip gloss, and then found out, I thought every year they have red, black, white, and pearl of the paint pots, and this year it was glow in the dark white. So I was like, oh crap, so I ordered that from Amazon because I can't be hunting with my knee like this. But the 2 Walmarts that I have to frequent, if I find a putt, because I have had to, do certain things like my charger broke. I had to get a new charger, but it didn't break. It just stopped working. So thank God I found what I call the putt, the little motorized carts, and they still had the displays up, and I mean they were pretty much picked clean, but they still had stuff on it. So, um, I was able to get that. I had ordered it from Amazon, and then I had to forgetting I had to go to Walmart. So it's probably picked clean, but it was there. So I bought it just in case I get the wrong thing from Amazon, but I got the right thing. So yeah, I can't be on the hunt with this pain in my knee, and even sitting in those putts hurts. Um, and the medications just are doing nothing. And for her to say I have to pay another $40 just to talk to her about upping the dosage, it's ridiculous. I said, all you have to do is call my pharmacy. They'll tell you that the dosage was 500 milligram tablets every 4 hours, and that was working. But now, and it's as needed, but now, and sometimes I feel like my knee's getting better, and then it'll just start like getting worse again. That's why I'm afraid I might need a knee replacement. So it's been misery.